Yeah, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I believe everybody can hear me loud and clear. Let's get started. Let's get started. If you're hearing me, make sure you drop, um, you know, drop. Let's say, drop one. Let me see the one button. Drop like button and drop one button in the chat box. Let's get started, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. What do we have this morning? Okay. Before we dive in further and further and further, let me quickly address this. Our live session, normally our live session should be holding every day. That's the way I want it to be. In as much as I trade every day, I want to be doing the analysis right in front of you guys every day. Okay. So, but I'm working some things in the background. The things I'm working in the background are what is making our live session to be, I miss some days, in this week now, I think this is the first live session we're having this week. I'm not really happy the way it is like that, but you guys just have to be, bear with me. Any day we are going live, I'm going to definitely post a notification so that you guys can know that we are going live, okay? So bear with me, guys. Everything is going to, gain a stability very soon. If you are just joining, make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you drop the location you are joining us from and your name. Let me be able to acknowledge you, okay? So moving on, there's a lot of things that has happened. Okay, there's this trade that got activated for me and went a little bit in profit and stopped me out. Okay, so now I usually talked about reclaiming a valid setup. So now I wanted to reclaim this guy and it failed again. I wanted to reclaim it to sell, it failed again. So I know that it won't validate it 3 times. So look at it. So now let's say I risk 1% on this. I risk 1% on the sell. That's 2% that I lost in the process of crashing this trade. And now I was able to bag almost 1 to 5% here. This is 4.5. This is the beauty. Anybody that sees this trade go like, okay, yeah, it's a stop loss, but look at this. It's a 1 to 4.5. And then I posted this trade on my Telegram. Yes, I'm pretty sure I posted it on my Telegram. If you're not on the Telegram channel, you should be in that Telegram channel. You should be in that Telegram channel. Okay, let me see if I can quickly share that. Okay, hold on. I can believe you guys are seeing my Telegram right now. So this was it. This was the trade. You can see it's the same setup. You can see just like what I'm showing you on Instagram just now, on my trading view just now. Look at this. So the trade activated for me. You can see this. This was the sell I took again. This was the buy I took. This was the sell I took. I just know that AUD you must pay me. Oh. So risking 1% on this, risking 1% on this, now making almost 5% on this. So all my losses are back with more profit. You can see. Okay, yeah, this was the buy that stop out. This was the sell that stop out. This now the buy that got me a lot of profit. Okay, so it is real. Hmm? It is real. Yeah, I'm anticipating a sell from CHFBPY. Now let's go back to our trading view. Let's go back to our trading view. Uh, okay. You guys will soon see my screen now. Okay. I believe you guys are now seeing my screen. Okay. So now, for now, is there any opportunity on AUD right now that we might take advantage of? Not now. Until when the market go here. And when the market go here, it's not going to be pending order. I'm going to actually wait for a break even. Okay, this is a demand level, so I'm going to wait for a break even. I'm going to wait for a confirmation before I open this trade. We have another trade set up below here, but market is not close to that place yet. So let's see if we can see any trade we're going to take together this morning. Yeah, USDT people also paid me. Yeah, it paid me. I posted this on my Telegram too. In fact, I posted this trade on my Twitter. Yeah, no, not on Twitter, on TikTok. This particular trade, and this was also like 1 to 3. So there's a little changes in my trading. I'm always like 1 to 2, 1 to 2, but due to lower time frame confirmation now, I'm able to have a tighter stop loss, even though I'm still going to target where I'm supposed to target, but the risk to reward just naturally increase. So that is what you guys see that is changing. Okay, I think I took another trade here too, but I didn't allow this one. Yeah, this. After smashing this, I got another entry here. You can see the way even this one fly. I didn't want to tear it here. Okay, so I think I posted this on the mentorship channel. I think I posted this on the mentorship channel. So moving on USD, is there any opportunity for us this morning? Not yet. This market is buying from here, but I don't really like this area. I don't really like this area. So let's go. Let's check GBP GBP also messed up, and I claim my money back. Can see this loss. See another loss. The thing got me tired at some point. I was like, are you mad or something? So on 15 minutes, I was able to catch 1 to 3 right here. These two losses has not been recovered. Because losing 1% here, losing 1% here, and cashing 1 to 3 here. You can see that I've made back my losses and I've made back profits. I've made profits including recovering all the losses. Okay. So that is what defines a profitable trader. Okay. So, but on GBPJPY, do you have any opportunity at the moment? No. Until when this market comes down here, I'll be looking for a confirmation to buy this market. Okay. So, having said that, let's look at what CHFJPY is saying. Yeah, I talked about this trade this morning that I'm anticipating a sell. The market is yet to do what? To tap into my POI, though it has taken the engagement. Not as much as this market has not taken this low. Which low self are we going to even capitalize on this trade? We are not taking out this low. Yes, this like a liquidity sweep. So I'm still very, very optimistic that CHFJPY is still going to come up. And when it gets here, I'm not going to just take it like that. I'm going to wait for confirmation so that I can have this is 1 to 2. I wouldn't mind having something like this. I'm still going to target my here, my overall target. I have something like this. Maybe I have a stop loss that look like this, an entry that look like this, and still target here. It's still my 1 to 2, but now it's looking like 1 to 6. Okay. So I think that's what I'm going to be capitalizing on this trade. But if you don't know how to do the lower time frame confirmation, you can actually set your pending order on this trade right now. You can set your pending order on this trade right now. Our entry is 175.176, and our stop loss is 176 plus 2.221. Our TP is 173.031. So that's if you don't know how to do a lower time frame confirmation. But by the time this trade gets to this place, I might not be live with you guys to actually do the lower time frame confirmation for this thing. But for my mentorship students, you can take advantage of it. I'll definitely I pray I remember, and if I do not remember, you guys should remind me. drop it for you guys in the mentorship channel so that you guys can actually take advantage of it if you're interested. Now, what do we have on BTC? I was waiting for a setup on BTC, but it didn't come. So now it's flying up now. So, do you have an opportunity? Let me check. Let me check. Uh, I'm coming. I'm coming. I want to see if this guy actually do a manipulation here so that you can count on this. And didn't take it out. Why we should take it out? You didn't take it out. You didn't take it out. Yeah. Mr. Dobson from UK, Mr. Ed from Lagos. Other people should drop their location too. I'm with you guys. Other people should drop their location. I want to actually see if we can get a reasonable setup here. But this guy is not looking very interesting. If not, I will see we should capitalize on this guy. I will see we should capitalize on this guy, but this guy is looking like a liquidity. So if we're going to be capitalizing on any, this is what I'm anticipating. This low will be taken out. This low will be taken out on BTC. This low will be taken out. So we can now capitalize on this as our POI. Capitalize on this as our POI. So this is like a risky setup. So, but of course, you can, if you know how to do the lower time frame confirmation, maybe I'll still give you about that lower time frame confirmation. So you can now target. This is like 1 to 2.5, okay? It's okay. So this is what I'm anticipating on BTC right here. So based on what I'm seeing on higher time frame, you want to ask, this is a manipulation here. This is a break of structure, and this is an engagement right here. Okay. So based on simple concept, just the three things we look out for. Okay. So I'm going to also be entering this trade. But I might not just enter like this. I might just leave what's it called? Yeah. So that when market get there, alert will let me know, and I'll just be able to wait for lower time frame confirmation to take it. These people want me to do. They want me to do. Okay. So moving on. Euro JPY is doing well. I'm coming. We have not gotten there. So we have talked about BTC now. Let's move on to the next one, Ethereum. I know the vibe Ethereum these days. I don't know why. I'm not seeing what I like yet. I want the guy to get above here before I started looking for maybe sell or confirmation for a buy. Please come and take out this high. So for now, nothing on. Okay. Oh wow, this trade has activated. Wow. I didn't know, guys. I didn't know. I swear to God, I didn't know. Beautiful. Set this trade yesterday. I swear to God, I didn't know this trade was activated. Set this trade yesterday, and I was waiting for the market to tap into it and dump. And it did the exact thing. It smashed the TP and started coming back up. Wow. Funny enough, I didn't take it on mind because it was raining. I just say, let me just analyze the setup, and I was feeling sleepy. I don't want to make any trade decision at that time. I just do the setup and I just went to sleep by yesterday. And that was wow. I didn't know. I didn't know. Honestly, I didn't know. Did I even screenshot the before? Because I know I was feeling sleepy at the time. I'm not sure I screenshot the before. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure I did that. Oh, Charlie. That was interesting. Wow. Like that. This is like 1 to 2. Sharp, sharp. That's interesting. Interesting. Okay. So my students, how I got this entry. I probably will explain it to you guys when we have our what's it called? When we have our session, okay? How I got the entry, I'll explain it to you guys when we have our session, okay? So it might look a little different from what you guys know that oh, why did I just call the trade here? It's still simple concept. That's it. It's still simple concept, okay? So just the advanced level of it. So now let's move on. This trade it messed up big time. It stopped us out and then it's TP. So but at least I didn't take this. If I had taken this now, I'd have been like I've made back my this the same pair that gave me loss has given me back my profit. So moving on to the next one. No opportunity yet. No opportunity yet. No, no. So what do we have? We have DVP card. This trade payment make I not lie you. It was yesterday night I saw it. How guys? It's very simple. Simple concept. I don't want to be doing my drawing like I usually do before. So it's simple concept. You can see this is manipulation. You can see, sorry, you can see this is on the, you can see this is what a break of structure. Ah man, sometimes go make some trade, it go pay you, it go pay you. This and then this went right here. This and then this went right here. And this is our preferred POI right here. So normally, if I go on lower time frame, I will know where to put my stop loss. Normally, I'm supposed to put my stop loss here, but if I go on lower time frame, I might find a reasonable reason why my stop loss should just be like this. Maybe this recent low or something like this. I don't know. And I want to do 1 to 2. You can see 1 to 2 has been smashed. You can see 1 to 2 has been smashed. And there's tendency, if I do lower time to confirmation, I might get my stop loss here, which has turned this into 1 to 4 instead of 1 to 2. So, but anyway, based on what you guys know that I usually do. So, but I didn't catch this trade. I didn't catch it. It was painful. It was very painful. I didn't catch it. Like I saw the setup. Ah, I think when did this thing happen? Yesterday. When did I show the setup? What time was it yesterday? To know. See the setup. Maybe that time that I was feeling sleepy. I don't know what kind of sleep that entered me that yesterday. It was because it is raining and I'm in the office. Sleep don't be worrying me. I don't want to make any trade decision at that time. So that was what made me miss on two trade now. I bet they see my results. I just dey see my results. So now on NZUSD, my network better be okay. Better be okay. On NZUSD, this my guy, mm, mm, but didn't break the low, so I will not categorize it. So this uptrend, not saying what I like yet. Not saying what I like yet. Not saying what I like yet. But there is some sort of manipulation here and it went to the upside. I still didn't like this guy because of the push. I need I need an aggressive push. He's not doing that. So now we have Euro card. Normally I miss setup on Euro card too. This one did not really pay me too much because I was not really similar to that GBP card, I think. This was the entry that I would have been waiting for, but it didn't even come. So the trade just went and go sharp. But right now, is there anything the market want to do? No, I don't know for now. I don't know for now. Euro JPY. Ladies and gentlemen, remember this trade since Monday. We get one funny trade, one crazy trade, something that's supposed to have hit TP. Since Monday that I call this trade. Monday. See the trade. I still dey inside the trade. I still dey inside this trade. See the trade. Since Monday. We went back to break even traders will have been out now. We went back here and started going back up again. I'll hold on to it at least. If this will get here, I might not wait for TP. I might wait if I'm not on the chart. But at least maybe just come and play here. Just move up. Because as it's going up, I'm adding positions. Because I know it's going to go up based on average. I used to set up on gold yesterday. Was anticipating gold will come back, give me an entry. Just like that type of entry on AUD that was what I was anticipating here, but gold did not come. Just fly like that to the upside. But go do me well since some how many days now. He gave me some profit here. He gave me here. Like for real. I had like two trades here. I think I screenshotted this. Screenshotted this. Waking up in the Monday morning and I just saw that market that. Funny enough, I didn't set my TP. I didn't set my TP, I forgot. So upon getting here, I just closed my position like I just imagine if it was downtrend it came to have been funny. So I think that's that for now. That's that for now on all the pairs I have on my watch list. So if I see any other opportunity, I might call it. I'm waiting for CHFBPY to come up and BTC. We are waiting for you to come here. Okay. So these are the setup we have here. If you have any questions, let me know. Any question, you can let me know. If you have any question, you can let me know. This live session is just for us to actually look at opportunity based on simple concept strategies that I trade. So once I see an opportunity, I will definitely let you guys know that okay, I'm looking at this opportunity, we can take advantage of it together. And that's what I have just done. So the ones I have taken, we review it, the losses, the wins, everything. You guys saw it together. And then some of those trades I called them. Ah, yeah, the AUD I think I called that AUD yesterday night. Before that guy ate TP. I called it yesterday night. I called it yesterday night. Before that guy ate TP. And if you're in my Telegram channel, you should pick that trade. And then it was just this morning I woke up to TP. Simple as that. If you have any question, let me know. If you don't have any question, you can drop the pair you want me to analyze for you. In case you have any pair that you might want me to quickly analyze and see if there's an opportunity based on the simple concept strategy. So you guys should let me know. If not, if there's no question, we might as well call it a day from here. Might as well call it a day from here. And then so good, my guy, how you doing? I greet you specially. I greet you specially, my brother. So, with that being said, would that be the end of this live session for now? Make, make sure you are always joining us every day. And now I might not just be here every day because of what I'm still doing. It is, you know, when I gain the stability, our live session will resume back every day. But for now, any day I want to come live, I'll definitely let you guys know that I'm coming live. Okay, so you guys should please bear with me. Okay, you guys should please bear with me. Okay. So I have to call it a day from here, ladies and gentlemen. See you guys maybe tomorrow, maybe another time.